channel. Friends, today we are going to learn about the basic shortcut keys we can use in our Xcode to open certain tabs so that we can easily move move to the files, and we can easily open all tabs without clicking to the tabs. So let's start, friends. Let's go to the project. Friends, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, please like the video, share the video, and please subscribe the channel to learn all about iOS programming. Thank you. Our first shortcut is Command B. Look in your keyboard, you can press Command plus B. From this shortcut, you can build your application without clicking on a build option. You can directly build with Command B. So this is the first shortcut key we are using the most. Second shortcut key is Command R. Command R is also used mostly when you are working with a project. Command R is used to run your project. It will directly open your simulator if you are running on simulator, and if you are running on iOS, Command R will install your application and run your application in device. Friends, in Xcode series video, we have learned about a navigator tabs. So here we are learning about the shortcut keys to open each tab. You have to start with 1 to all. You have to press Command plus 1, it will open Project Navigator. Command plus 2, it will open Source Navigator. Command plus 3, it will open Find Symbol Navigator. Command plus 4, it will open Find Navigator. Command plus 5, it will open Issue Navigator or Warning Navigator. Command plus 6, it will open a Test Navigator. Command plus 7, it will open Debug Navigator or CPU Monitor, Memory Monitor Navigator. Command plus 7, it will open Command plus 8, it will open a Breakpoint Navigator. Command plus 9, it will open your Report Navigator. So all are navigator shortcut key. Friends, one more key, Command plus 10, it will hide your left panel. You can reopen left panel by only pressing the Command plus 10 again. Key is Command Shift O. It will open quickly. You can find any of your file in project very quickly without going to Navigator tab using Command Shift O. Command New, it will open a new file. It will open a tab for add a new file when you press the Command New, so you can quickly add a new file. And one more key, Command Shift New. From this you can add a new project, completely new project you can add with shortcut key with Command Shift N. So this is all about adding a new file. J, which will highlight your code area, focus on editor area. C, this will focus on your editor area. So Command J will open a new tab for your project. You can working with multiple files simultaneously. It will help you. So friends, these are some shortcuts you can use to save your time while you are working with code, you are working with your project with short deadlines. This shortcut is really helpful. Thank you, friends. Watch the video, subscribe and share the video.